self-serve na bayad sa Safeway. So, we try it. Among budget kay 50 daw. We'll see if we can make it the $50 challenge grocery.
I doubt it, but who knows? It's nothing. No tag, huh?
Look it up by name.
Touch the item to purchase.
I don't see anything.
Please touch accept with to move your bananas to the bag. 161.
So we're $17 now. Look up
Touch
by
the item
name.
to purchase.
Potatoes.
This is a russet, di ba?
Yeah, russet.
What's the difference?
Choose
Please
the
touch accept
one.
weight to
And then mas
move your
mura.
russet potatoes to the bag.
Miso?
143.
Yeah. You choose organic potatoes.
Uy!
That's why it's expensive.
Sorry, I made a mistake. I chose organic baking. This is
Your
just regular.
scan. Please touch finish and pen.
Put it right there.
Select item
Put your
to
potato.
credit.
Yeah, you can put it right there.
Please move your
Fast.
to the bag.
Thank you.
34.
You just say 10 cents.
Enter your item. 20.
Well,
Place
that's
your item
10 cents already.
bag for $4.
I think it's gonna be like 50 cents. So we're in like, how much is it? 21.
25.
32. Oh, the $50 challenge. Wow.
What ay pan? Okay rin.
Nine.
Yeah, 38.
Savings. $4.99. 10.
45.
Savings.
One more
$4.10.
item.
Bili na. Ano na?
How many
Oh, we
stores
made it. 45.
Two?
used today?
2 bags.
57. Your total
So we
is
paid
46. And your savings
$46.35.
is
We
29.
made the $50 challenge grocery.
Pagtsuri na yung $50 ay.
That's all we have. This bag.